Cadillac out here, unique specialty in classics. We'll see a lot of these out there. 1939 Cadillac Fleetwood, Series 75 Imperial Sedan, the limo body style. Original paint color of this car, black. Paint coat number 51. This is a V8 powered one. Manual transmission. Take a look at all the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're seeing this on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. It's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Firestone wide white walls right on the Cadillac wheel covers. Dual side mount car. We'll get around to the driver's side, take a little closer look at the interior, start it up, let you hear it run. Vinyl seats up front. Take a look at the rear seating area. Now, of course, these would have the two throwback auxiliary seats. You'll be able to see those in the still pictures. And of course, the wind-up glass division. When I say you won't see a lot of these, according to my research, I believe there was 638 total production on these. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Take a look around on the driver's side here. Very stock looking dash. Starter on this. Let's go ahead. We're going to pump it a little bit here. Turn the key on. Push the starter. It does have an electric fuel pump, so we're going to let that run just a little bit. Of course, 6-volt system. Fires right up. How about the gauges? Looks like the battery gauge is working. There's the fuel gauges also. Oil pressure. That was a cold start, so I expect the temp gauge to have moved. So a 3-speed manual on the column. Make sure that we're in neutral. Listen, those doors close. Slip around to the back so you can hear it run. Should take a peek in this trunk. Why not? There's a battery tender that'll go with it. Battery, of course, is in the passenger front fender. All right, slip up to the front. Check out the engine bay on this now. Of course, the hood ornament is also the hood release. So you just flip that up. Let me see if I can get it one-handed. These aren't too bad sometimes. There we go. Again, 8-cylinder. Smooth runner. In the still pictures, you'll be able to see which chassis number this is. Get a picture of the VIN stamping. Kind of tough to see much of the engine bay the way it's tucked in there. Kind of give you an idea how it looks and sounds. And then remember, at the end of the video, stick around to the very end. We're going to take this down the road, put a camera in there, and basically take you for a virtual ride. Do a little driving video with it. 1939 Cadillac Fleetwood Series 75 Imperial Sedan. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1939 Cadillac Series 75. This car is a limousine. Got the extended back end for dignitaries to ride in. This is a 3 on the tree manual transmission. Very smooth running Cadillac, as most of them are. Nice clutch, easy to shift. Our factory gauges are all working, believe it or not. The speedometer is working well. Battery is showing 3/4 of the way up the gauge charging. Temperature is about 1/3 of the way, maybe almost to half. Gasoline gauge is at half, and oil pressure is showing about 40 to 45 pounds. That is all good. Even the windshield wipers work on this car. To me, it really looks like a Survivor. It looks like it is parked a lot of its life. Of course, if you're a rich limo owner, maybe you don't get used that much. Maybe just around town from time to time. Very original looking. You have a bench seat with a split bottom on the bottom of the bench. Very smooth ride. Letting go of the wheel, this car stays straight. Stays right where you put it. Smooth, quiet engine. A little bit of maybe an exhaust tick when you're on the throttle. Go down second for the corner here. Love the styling on the front end of these old cars. And the back end of these old cars. Nice looking headliner. Quite the Survivor, a limousine. It has got to be rare. Take a look at all the pictures and read all the details about this car at uniqueclassiccars.com.